Now let us discuss the division and multiplication of decimals. Okay, what if a decimal is multiplied with a whole number, and what if a decimal is multiplied with a fraction or another decimal value? Okay, now what if a decimal value 0.5 is multiplied with 10? What can be the value? So here if you observe, the decimal is being multiplied with a whole number. So now the first step you have to do is you need to convert this decimal into the fraction. So it will be 5 into 1 by 10. Why? Because after decimal is the tens place. Now this is being multiplied with the whole number. So finally, if you observe here, this is a fraction and it is being multiplied with a whole number. Now follow the same steps which we have done in the fractional multiplication form. Okay, so 5 needs to be multiplied with the numerator 1 and this needs to be multiplied with the 10 divided by 10. Okay, this is 50 divided by 10. The whole value will be 5 by 1. Okay, 10 5s are 10 1s, which is 5. So this is the value whenever a decimal is multiplied with a whole number. Okay, what if a decimal is being multiplied with another decimal? What can be the value? What is the value when 0.5 is multiplied with 3? Okay, so the first step what you have to do is you need to convert this decimal into a fractional form. Okay, so this 0.5 can be written as 5 into 1 by 10. Okay, why? Because after decimal it is 110. Okay, 5 into 1 by 10 is being multiplied with 3. So in the next step what you have to do, since it is a fraction and this is being multiplied with a whole number, simply what you have to do is you need to just multiply it with the numerator and make the denominator as same as it is. Okay, so this is 5 into 3 is 15 divided by 10. Now if you observe, 5 is the common factor for 15 and 10. So 5 3s are 5 2s are. So 3 by 2 is the fractional value of 0.5 into 3. Okay, in order to convert this into a decimal, you have to consider the divisor here and the dividend here. So 2 1s are 2, the coefficient is 1 here, and 2 1s are 2, the remainder is 1. And when you place a decimal here, this will be 0 and 2 5s are 10, which is the remainder will be 0. Therefore, this can also be represented as 1.5. Okay, now what is the value when 0.2 is multiplied with 0.8? The first step you have to do is first convert these decimals into their fractions. So here it will be 2 multiplied with 1 by 10 and this is being multiplied with 8 into 1 by 10. Okay, now if you observe, this is 2 by 10 into 8 by 10. So here the two fractions are being multiplied. So what is the rule? The numerators need to be multiplied first and the denominators need to be multiplied. Okay, so it will be 16 divided by 100. Okay, so this 16 by 100, in order to represent it in a decimal form, it will be 0.16. Okay, so this is all about multiplication of decimals. Now let us discuss about the division of decimals. Okay,